Hi guys! In today's video, I will going to show you how to add new text in Picsart. To start, open your Picsart app. Then select blank to start creating design. To add new text, choose the text icon at the bottom. You can now write anything you want. For example, hello. At the bottom, you can choose font that is already available in Picsart, or you can also add new font. To add new font, just go to Chrome, then search the font. Then, click the font. You can now select any fonts. And you can download them for free. Now go to your local files, and then click Download. Now you see the font, click on Extract. And then click and copy. Now go to Picsart file, click on Fonts, then paste. Go again to Picsart app, click the fonts, and then you will see the font that you downloaded. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.